Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can fix the problem of lost access to your Roblox Authenticator. So if you have lost access to your Roblox Authenticator, then you can't log in into your account, because in order to log in into your account, you need to have the Authenticator and enter the 6-digit code. But there is a way you guys can skip through this process. So when you try to log in into your account and you try to enter your Authenticator's code, right below the place where you enter your Authenticator's code, you can see the option called use another verification method. You want to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to give you two options. We don't want to use Authenticator, so we want to click on backup code. So when we are setting up our two-step verification, it's going to give us a backup code. Once we click on backup code, we need to enter that backup code. And if you don't have access to backup code, then you cannot move forward. So you need to find the backup code which was given to you by Roblox and enter it over here. Once you enter that, you should be able to log in into your Roblox account. And once you log in into your Roblox account, you can click on the setting icon at the top right and click on settings. And once you're inside setting, go on the security section and make sure over here where it says Authenticator app, make sure to turn it off. In your case, it's going to be on, make sure to turn it off. Once you do that, your two-step verification is going to be turned off. So that's how you guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.